Today we're diving into the ADC All-Stars makeup look that is matte ready and mega fierce. I'm going to show you step by step how to get this makeup look, so keep on watching. I'm using the ADC custom palette and it is packed with vibrant shimmery shadows and matte shades to bring your look to life. There are both light skin and dark skin options with this palette, so grab your favorite brushes and let's get started. Start with an eyeshadow primer to lock in your look. If you don't have a primer, no problem. Your go-to concealer or foundation works like a charm to give your shadow something to stick to. For that clean winged look, I'm using makeup tape. It's totally optional, but worth it. Place the tape from the outer corner of your eye to the edges of your eyebrow and press it down really good. This is essential for a crisp line. Using a fluffy eyeshadow brush, sweep the skin tone shadow across your lid for a smooth, even base. Take the matte pink shadow and press it into your crease, blending it from the outer crease to about the middle. Use a fluffy brush for soft, seamless blending. Grab a domed brush and pack the dark pink eyeshadow into the outer corner in a V shape. This adds drama and dimension to the look. Pat the neutral shimmery shadow onto the center of your lid and work it toward the inner corner, stopping just before the tear duct. For a bold pop of color, layer the hot pink shimmer onto the outer corner and softly blend it toward the center to create a pink gradient. Using a Q-tip, swirl the frosty shimmer shadow into the tear duct for a bright glow. Add a touch to your brow bone and blend it with your fingertip for that subtle highlight. It's time for eyeliner, so use the pink eyeliner pen to draw a sleek wing from the outer corner toward the inner corner. Start the line on the tape for a crisp edge, angling it slightly upward, and then gently taper the line as it meets the center of your eye. For the inner corner, draw a fine line and extend it slightly under the eye for a sharp V shape. Avoid the waterline to keep the liner clean and bold. Peel off the tape carefully, and if any shadow or liner snuck underneath, dab it away with a Q-tip that's been spritzed with makeup remover. Use a dome-shaped brush with a touch of the dark pink shadow to smudge under your lower lash line, focusing on that outer corner for a soft finish. Sweep the brush along the outer wing to soften the edges slightly. Sweep on a couple coats of mascara to define your lashes, and if you're wearing magnetic lashes, apply your magnetic liner in a sleek line and then place your lashes directly on top. Finish with an extra layer of the pink liquid liner above the lash band so that the pink peeks out. Moving on to the lips, wipe your lips clean of any oils or balm with a makeup wipe, and then blot them dry. Apply a light coat of matte liquid lipstick, filling in your lips and then gently outlining them. It's really important to skip any lip gloss or lip balm to keep your matte lip color locked in place and transfer proof. For the finishing touch, dab a tiny amount of silver shimmer gel onto your temples and work it into your skin, creating a C shape. A little goes a long way, so you only need a small amount. And that's how we bring the ADC All-Stars glam to cheer comps. This look is bold and sparkly and guaranteed to have you standing out in the crowd. Try it out and don't forget to tag me at Glam Game Beauty. I can't wait to see your fierce looks.